Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into the small yet powerful Book of Jude from the Bible, perfect for those who crave wisdom wrapped in mystery.
Though it's a brief letter, Jude packs a punch with its warnings, encouragements, and thought-provoking insights.
Written by Jude, the brother of James and Jesus, this book stands as a beacon, guiding us through the turbulent waters of false teachings and urging us to contend for the faith. Jude opens with a bold call to perseverance, alerting his readers about infiltrators who distort the grace of God into a license for immorality. Fascinating, right? Even though it was penned centuries ago, its messages resonate with the issues we face today. Pay close attention to verse 3, where Jude urges believers to fight for the faith once delivered to the saints. It's a reminder of the purity and strength of our spiritual foundation. Moving along, verses 5 to 7 offer vivid illustrations from history, such as the fallen angels and the infamous cities of Sodom and Gomorrah, to underscore the consequences of deviating from divine truth. These stories are not just tales of old, they serve as constant reminders of the dangers of straying off the virtuous path. Jude shines a spotlight on the characteristics of false teachers in verse 12, describing them as hidden reefs that your love feasts, shepherds who feed only themselves. This imagery is both poetic and profound, urging us to remain vigilant and discerning. But it's not all warnings and judgments. Jude wraps up with an inspiring doxology in verses 24 to 25, praising God who is able to keep us from falling and to present us before his glorious presence without fault and with great joy. It's a reassuring promise of divine support and eternal security for all believers. So why does this tiny, often overlooked book matter? Jude challenges us to stay rooted in faith, to recognize deceit, and to seek truth.
As you reflect on Jude's timeless wisdom, remember, standing firm in the faith isn't just a call, it's an adventure.
Thanks for joining us on this journey. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the rich tapestry of the Bible.